My glasses are fogging up. Look at this. It's so hot in here, my glasses are fogging up.
Foggerless.
But I didn't want background noise.
Right.
So look, I'm all nice and shiny.
Okay,
Oh well. Anyways, bye guys. Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I am here today with my husband, Mr. Chaos, aka Steve, aka Butthead, Stefano, Stephanie, whatever you want to call him.
Lisa,
like always. Anyways, we're here to share another Tuesday tag with you guys. This tag was created by Joan over at Joan's Pointed Plate. I will leave her YouTube information down below, so please make sure you stop and check out her answers. And I was tagged by Kim over at A Girl in Her Phone. So thank you to Kim for tagging me. Thank you to Joan for creating the tag. And let's go ahead and get started on our answers. All right, this is an either or food edition. Ooh, I like these. Question number 1, coffee or tea?
Tea.
Tea. I like coffee, but I also love my tea, but I will choose coffee first. Question number 2, cake or pie?
Did somebody say pie?
Pie. I like cake as long as it has buttercream frosting on it. Otherwise, it's pie with ice cream.
That's good.
Right? Number 3, bacon or sausage?
Oh, bacon.
Yeah, I like turkey sausage the best. I like the turkey sausage links. Those are my favorite. Question number 4, well done steak or a rare steak?
Oh, it's either or, huh? I would go rare, I guess.
I like medium well, but funny story. One time, I was so stinking tired. I was trying to order a steak, and when the waiter asked me how I wanted it, I asked him to make it over easy.
Yep.
So I also like my steaks over easy.
Yes.
Poor kid, he didn't know what to say.
Ma'am?
Right. Question number 5, Jell-O or pudding?
Ooh. Pudding.
Pudding. See, I like Jell-O. I like both, but I'll eat Jell-O before I grab pudding.
Okay.
Question number 6, hot dog or hamburger?
Hamburger.
Yep, I'm a hamburger girl too. Question number 7, potato salad or macaroni salad?
Potato salad.
See, I love potato salad too, unless it's my dad's macaroni salad, then I'll choose that. Otherwise, potato salad. Question number 8, baked potato or sweet potato?
I would have to say sweet potato.
Yeah, I like sweet potatoes too. I like baked sweet potatoes and with sweet potato fries and all the good stuff. So.
Yep.
Question number 9, guacamole or salsa?
Oh, guacamole, definitely.
I love guacamole too, but I will grab salsa first because it's lower in calories and points. Question number 10, hard shell taco or soft shell taco?
Soft shell corn taco.
You mean a soft shell corn tortilla?
Tortilla, yes.
Gotcha. Yeah, I like those too. Those are really sweet. Like when you go to the more authentic Mexican restaurants and ask for the corn, that's what you get. I agree. I like those, and those are also fewer points on WW. So I agree. Otherwise, I'm more inclined to get the soft shell taco over a crunchy any day. So, all right, those are our answers. That was quick and painless, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was actually not bad.
Yeah. So again, thanks to Joan for creating the tag, and thanks to Kim for tagging us. And I am going to tag Suzy Bowie over at Suzy's Health Journey, and then I'm going to tag Mary at Mary Gets Fit and B at B's Journey. If I'm stepping on anybody's toes, I apologize. I haven't had time to watch everybody's videos quite yet. But I will go ahead and tag those people. I'll link their information down below. If you haven't already, if you'd give us a thumbs up, we would appreciate it. If you're not a member of our YouTube family and you enjoy chaos and crazy good times, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. We'd love to have you along for this crazy ride we call life. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.